Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, October the 25th, 2018. And today in our Tech News Update, we have AMD that is now following in the footsteps of NVIDIA, as it will now stop issuing 32-bit drivers for its graphics adapters. You know, more and more the computers are running on 64-bit operating systems, and it's probably time that we move on. So if you have an older 32-bit system, you won't have any updates anymore for Radeon graphics chips. Windows 10 April 2018 update has got a cumulative update with tons of fixes yesterday. So of course we will talk about it. If you're on the latest version, of course, check it out. We'll be explaining a little bit some of the fixes, and also giving you the details of what number or what build number you should be at with these updates. It's coming out today, not that very long ago from this video. 19H1 insiders have in the fast ring and skip ahead a new build yesterday. 18267 was released just after Microsoft's earnings, and of course it has some new features, and we'll be looking at these details of this new build later today also. Well, Google is updating its privacy settings to make it easier for users to actually find it and understand the privacy settings in their own accounts. It's starting with search today, but it's going to move on to more services in the next few weeks so that everyone can have an easier look of all the privacy settings and all the data that Google knows about you. A proof of concept from a user known as Sandbox Escaper has shown that, well, the Windows 10 Microsoft data sharing service can be infected with PC, or infect a PC, sorry, with malicious code. So basically that means that you can right now be infected, as this zero-day exploit is on the loose. Now, no news as to when this will be fixed, but chances are, unless it's very, very important, next Patch Tuesday. Microsoft earnings, record high, pushed by cloud and Office, but it seems that the Surface line of devices are nicely gaining momentum. The company says that sales of its Surface device, 14% year-over-year, increase, $1.1 billion in revenue. Although Twitter has better quarterly results than what was expected, which made everybody happy, it did say it lost 9 million users, and this is due to the removal of bots that are plaguing the Twitter system. Of course, more to come, as Twitter said, well, we expect some more single-digit millions expected to be removed by the next quarter also. Google is getting serious about security, as it is now having contracts with manufacturers that are actually saying, look, you've got exactly 2 years of security fixes that you have to give, and that popular phones will need to have at least 4 security updates within the first year, and this is apparently in the new contracts. Facebook was fined the highest possible amount in the UK for its Cambridge Analytica scandal, £500,000, or about $650,000. And many are voicing their mind, saying, hey, more fines, please. This is unacceptable. And finally, a report says that President Trump's iPhone is possibly tapped, and China and Russia are listening in on his private conversations. He refuses to, of course, follow NSA rules, which basically says you shouldn't use your phone. And basically this is his private phone to talk with friends and family, but apparently being snooped on. And this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, October the 25th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.